Did you know Cato the Younger spent his last night on Earth reading a book about the soul, and then calmly chose to die rather than accept Caesar's mercy? Not because he had nothing left, because he decided some prices are too high to pay. Caesar had won, everyone knew it, and Caesar, being smart about it, offered Cato a way out. Live, keep your life, just accept that I own it now. Cato read his book, then he made his choice. This is the thing nobody tells you. There are exits that cost you more than dying does. There are pardons that kill everything worth keeping. There are survivals so hollow that the man who walks out the other side is already a corpse wearing your face. Cato understood something most men never learn. What you refuse to give up is the only true measure of who you are. Not what you earn, not what you keep, what you will not sell. Every day you trade a piece of yourself for comfort. Cato only had to do it once. Stop selling.